Hey there, you with the smile so bright, makes even Monday morning feel just right. You walk into the room, a little bit of sun, suddenly my day has happily begun. I try to act all cool, like nothing's going on, just casually chatting till the moment's gone. But secretly inside, my heart's doing a little leap, hoping you might notice the feelings buried deep. Oh, you got that something, can't explain it quite. Oh, makes everything around you feel so light. Maybe it's the way you laugh, maybe it's your style. Whatever it is, you make my world worthwhile.